Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one thing that a lot of people find annoying, and I do find it kind of annoying too, is I've been keeping the widgets active for one reason only. I've been keeping it active because I want to have the weather like I have right now here on the bottom left of my screen. Now, one of the first things that a lot of people are annoyed is that they're moving their mouse around and finally go over the widgets. Widgets open. You don't want to have that widget panel. And so there are a few things like that that you can, of course, customize already, but there's going to be a big change. First of all, the widgets panel is going to be completely redone. So this is the old widgets. This will be the new widgets look. And it will also have a big change in its behavior. First of all, when the new widgets appear, you will not have automatic widgets panel open when you hover your mouse over what's on the screen on the bottom left. Another annoyance that you might have seen is that even if you haven't, customized or played around with anything within that panel, you see sometimes, alert, Apple stock is up, maybe you should buy or whatever, or any other thing. It could be sports, it could be whatever that just shows up and says, US dollar is down. I don't want to have that information here. I just want the weather. And that, even if you haven't customized anything, you have like a mixed bag of stuff appearing here. And I've seen a lot of comments actually on the channel, people saying, I'm getting all sorts of stuff here, not just the weather, and I don't even know why. Well, that also will change. There will be nothing appearing on the taskbar from the widgets unless you interact with a widget, which means you'll have to interact with the weather widget to activate it and have the weather on your taskbar. If you haven't interacted with any other widgets, it is the only thing it will appear on your taskbar. So they are fixing a few things that annoy users. And of course, the widgets can also be removed from completely if you want. So you have a switch here. Remember that you can just turn off the widgets, right click on your taskbar, and in personalization of the taskbar, when you go into the taskbar settings, you will see that there's a widget on and off switch that you can toggle if you want to remove it. But at least if you want, like me, to have the weather, you will have at least now a quieter experience with the widgets panel. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.